Hey guys, it's Molly. I am here for the Indigo pour of the Rainbow series. I'm so excited about this. I went to my shelf, I picked up my indigo color that I had, and it was empty. So I fiddled around and I actually made the color that I like, and I almost color matched it perfect. So I'll list everything down below in the description. But it was blue-green from Amsterdam, which was interesting because indigo doesn't normally have like a greenish tint to it per se. But I mixed that with a little bit of black and Prussian blue, and I got the perfect color. So, well, you guys can let me know if I got the perfect color. Let's start. All right, guys, Rainbow series, phew, almost finished with it. This is the indigo base. So, I was so excited because I actually had an indigo color, but I did not have any left in it. And I'm not leaving my house right now or at all. So I ended up making the color. So I put this down and it was actually, believe it or not, extremely close to the blue-green, which actually indigo is red and blue and black, but it was very close to the blue-green, so I added some Prussian blue and a little bit of black to the blue-green, and I ended up getting the exact color that I wanted. So let me get this down on the base down on the canvas, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I would highly recommend painting your canvas if you're using a dark base. Otherwise, the colors will bleed through, the sides won't be covered very well. So I thought long and hard about this one. I ended up using a Winsor & Newton red hue because I wanted some kind of contrast in this one. So cadmium red hue. I'm using a permanent violet light. I'm using my regular aqua or turquoise blue and the silver that I've been using throughout the entire series. So, now it's always like, which color do I want to start with? I think I'm going to start with the pink, actually. And I think maybe I'll go back to maybe the puddle, but working my way around it. I don't know. We'll see. I really want this one to turn out because I am in love with the colors. So, and I wanted each of them to have like a little bit of a different, I wanted each of them to have a little bit of a different composition to them. So there we go. But if you're having a problem puddling in the middle, you can spread your colors out so that when you blow them, they blow out well. Okay, I think one more little around and then one more of pink. And then my silver to finish it off. And the silver I'm gonna spiral. Okay, whoa, that's a lot of color on the canvas. Woo. Pour the indigo around. So if you guys are at home and you're not going anywhere and you're looking for colors and you don't have it, see what you have and try to mix it. Google it, look online. A lot of times they will tell you one part this color, one part that color, and you'll be able to make whatever it is. I really fought with putting gold in this painting, and I said I wasn't gonna do it for the series, so I didn't do it. So I hope this one turns out okay. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay. Oh, I love. That's to get rid of some of that paint that was on that side. I think I will just blow right here and be done. Oh, I love it. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm sure some of you are like, please don't blow, please don't blow. All right. Yep, done. Love it. Okay, let me show you. It never looks as good from y'all's angle as it does from my angle. But let me show you the details here. Gosh, let me see if I can focus here. All right. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love. All right, let's see how this one dries. I think the blue is gonna dry a little bit darker. But yeah, let's just keep our fingers crossed, guys. I'll show you the dried result. All right, here they are. And this, it may look black, but that is this beautiful, deep, rich indigo color. I really like this one. Now this one spread out more than the other ones. And you can see the beautiful silver and the pinks that I used in that one. But it kind of filled the canvas. And even as it dried, it spread out a little bit more. But I really don't mind at all. I think it's beautiful. I think that's part of what I like so much about this one, is that it spread and fanned out like that as well. So here are, let me focus, here are the 6 of them thus far. The yellow one is the only one that's coming through like pretty dark. I wish there was more silver. I may redo it before the entire series is over. I don't know yet. But you guys let me know your thoughts. All right, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.